2:10 to play, first overtime. Los Angeles over Toronto tonight, 4-2. Crowd of 27,000 in New York, 15,934 at Tampa Bay. Here's Horvath to David Irving. Irving over to Best. One-on-one with John Pott. Best turns Pott around. Oh! There it is! Game's over. Give the assist to George Best. Best made that one happen too, Julie. Boy, what a finish, huh? Incredible. Yeah, that goal belongs to George. Mustafa Hukic gets the goal, the assist to George Best, and the Earthquakes have pulled one from the jaws of defeat. They scored the tying goal with 1.5 minutes to play, and now with 2:18 in the overtime, Hukic gets the goal on the assist by George Best, and the crowd is going hysterical here at Spartan Stadium.
You talk about an exciting finish, Pat. That was really exciting. Watch it.
Here's the replay, Julie. Horvath over to Irving. Irving made a nice play in setting up Best here as he got it through Hudson's legs. Best then danced around and turned John Pott all the way around. And then his shot was blocked, but the rebound, it was off the post actually. And then Hukic came on to finish it. And the Earthquakes, that tells the story right there. San Jose has defeated Fort Lauderdale. The Earthquakes have stopped their 8-game losing streak. And also, they snapped a 6-game losing streak to Fort Lauderdale with a 3-2 victory. Again, the final. We'll be back to wrap it up. San Jose